Welcome back. I am your RK sir from Excellent Coaching Center, Pasan. Today, my dear students, I would like to teach you that what is the difference between can and may. The modal can and may, where it is used now, and what is the major problem in that a lot of students and most of the students just are not able to just find out what is the error of between can and may. So that now I'm just gonna teach you the difference between can and may. The major problem with that now, only a single problem I'm just gonna talk you under this little video that I'm just gonna teach you now today. So all of you, please watch me carefully now. Look at me, only look at me. Look at me. May I have your attention, please? Everyone, please be ready at once to just listen to me now. Only can you hear me? Okay, if you hear me, then I'm just gonna start now. The main problem is that now the same thing is that now can and may is just like a same word, and people think that it is just like same, and they use both. Sometimes they use can and sometimes they use may, but they don't understand what is the usage of can and where it is used may, but they make a mistake. What is the major mistake is that now they forget that can and what is the uses of can, what is uses of may now. They don't know, but they are using. So that now I'm just gonna say that now. I wanna say that now. Please listen to me. This sentence now that I'm just giving you some solution and some examination and some concept to use can and may, and it is very beautiful words to just make and just like ornament of the English language. If you use this word, two types of word, can and may, you feel that you are speaking very well. And if you know the concept of can and may, then you feel that I'm confident of speaking English. Whenever it's not making a mistake, it is not surely make a mistake that if you are speaking or making it's not sorry wrong. It's not wrong that you are committing mistake, but repeating the mistake again and again, it's a bigger mistake now. So that now can is used with a sense of power, ability, capacity, and so that can is used with a sense of power, capacity, and ability, whereas may is used with a sense of possibility and permission, and both are uses for permission now. But can is used with a sense of informal permission. Where is can used? Can is used again once more time. Can is used with a sense of informal permission, whereas may is used with a sense of formal permission. What is formal and what is informal? Formal is that the language which is used in your school, in your college, in front of your elders. It is called formal permission, formal language, and the language which is used in front of your friends, in front of your neighbors, it is called just informal permission. Now, if you are taking and if you are giving the permission in front of, and if you are taking the permission from your teacher in your school, in your college, in your professional issue, then you have to use may. And if you wanna just use with your friends, then you please use can. So that what is the example for that now? Example is that may I come in sir, it is used in your school, college. May is used, may I come in sir means it is just a formal permission, it is not informal permission. Next, you can't say that can I come in sir, it is wrong now, it is a blunder. If you speak that can I come in sir, it is wrong, it is not right. Please find out. But most of the students make this mistake that they say that can I come in sir, but the teacher also said that they can't understand that what is the major problem with that. Now they don't know that what is the concept of this word now. So that I'm saying to all of you that it is a problem in in here a lot of students don't know the concept and they are speaking without knowing the concept now. So that I'm saying that if you are saying also that can I come in sir, it's wrong. Can I come in madam, it's wrong. Can I come in sir, it's wrong. Now can I go out sir, it's wrong, it's not right. What to say? So now what is the right answer? If you wanna use in a school, college, in just hospital, anywhere, if official types, now then you have to say may I come in sir, may I go out sir, may I sit here sir. If you are just taking and if you are just keeping a word sir in the last of the sentence, then you have to use may. You don't have to use can, because can is a word which is used always with a sense of informal. It is the informal word, it is not a formal word. What is formal, informal? I have talked to you, I have told you. This is fantastic way to just learn English carefully. If you wanna learn English very well, then please consult me. And if you wanna learn English very well, then you have to know what is the major problem, what is the difference between can and may, what is the difference between a lot of words that you don't know. I am trying my level best that I can help you, because of it's my pleasure. I'm feeling very well to just I'm supporting to all of you, and you are just also cooperating me. So that thank you very much for watching my video. That's all now.